Do you want to increase your productivity with Excel? Of course, who doesn't? Today, you're in for a treat as we explore some Excel shortcuts you might not know. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that can simplify your workflow and save you time. Imagine being able to navigate through spreadsheets, manipulate data, format cells, and perform complex tasks, all with just a few keystrokes. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic, it's just Excel shortcuts. These keyboard commands can help you work on your spreadsheets more efficiently, letting you focus on the data rather than the process. They can turn a daunting task into a breeze, a tedious job into an enjoyable experience. As we journey through these shortcuts, you'll find that you're not just learning new tricks, but you're transforming the way you interact with Excel. Are you ready to become an Excel ninja? Let's dive in. Scene script. Navigating around Excel can be time-consuming, but not if you know the right shortcuts. Imagine you're working on an extensive spreadsheet and you want to reach the end of a data region without scrolling endlessly. That's where the magic of Ctrl plus Alt plus Arrow keys comes into play. By simply pressing these keys, you can navigate to the edge of any data region in a flash. No more endless scrolling, no more wasted time. Now, let's say you're working with a large data set and you want to jump to the next corner of a region without manually finding it. Here's where Ctrl plus, period, becomes your best friend. By pressing these keys, Excel will intelligently select the range, allowing you to jump corners with ease. It's like having a personal navigator guiding you through your data. But what if you want to select an entire column without dragging your cursor from the top to the bottom? Sounds tedious, right? Well, say hello to Ctrl plus space. With a simple press of these keys, you can select the entire column of the active cell in one go. It's like having a magic wand that selects everything for you. These shortcuts might seem small, but they have the power to transform your Excel navigation experience. They are the small keys that open big doors, the shortcuts that turn long journeys into short trips. They allow you to navigate around Excel with such ease and speed that you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Excel is indeed a powerful tool, but its true power lies in knowing how to use it efficiently. And these shortcuts are your secret weapons. They are not just keys on your keyboard, they are your keys to unlocking Excel's full potential. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with these shortcuts at your disposal, you're not just working smarter, you're working at the speed of thought. With these shortcuts, you'll be zipping around Excel faster than ever. Scene script. Manipulating data is a breeze when you know these shortcuts. Moving on, let's explore some shortcuts that are key to manipulating data. Imagine you have a large sheet and you need to insert new cells, rows, or columns. Instead of going through the right-click menu, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. This shortcut is a real time saver, making it quick and easy to modify your data layout. Next, let's talk about filters. Filters are a powerful tool to sort and sift through your data. But did you know there's a shortcut to toggle filters on or off for a selected range? That's right. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus L and watch as your data becomes much more manageable. Now, onto one of the most used features in Excel, Paste Special. This feature allows you to paste data in various ways, such as only the values, formats, or formulas. To access Paste Special options directly without using the mouse, use Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Then press the underlined letter for the option you want. For instance, if you want to paste values, you would press V. Another handy shortcut to navigate through data regions is Ctrl plus Alt plus Arrow Keys. This will take you to the edge of your data regions, allowing you to quickly move around large data sets without scrolling endlessly. Ever needed to jump to the next corner of a data region? Excel has an intelligent shortcut for that too. Press Ctrl plus, period, and Excel will take you to the next corner of your selected data region. Lastly, if you need to toggle between displaying values and formulas in cells, use Ctrl plus Shift plus, quotation mark. This is especially useful when you're auditing your data and need to quickly view the underlying formulas. With these shortcuts at your fingertips, you'll be manipulating data like a pro. Scene script. Make your data stand out with these formatting and styling shortcuts. Excel is not just about crunching numbers, it's about presenting information in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive into some shortcuts that will help you format and style your data with ease. First on the list is the Ctrl Alt V shortcut. This nifty little combination is all about strike-through formatting. Whether you want to cross out completed tasks or highlight changes, this shortcut is your go-to. Just select your cell or range of cells, press Ctrl Alt V, and voila, you've got strike-through. Next, we have the Ctrl Shift $, shortcut. This one's particularly useful for those dealing with financial data. Once you've selected your cells, simply press Ctrl Shift $, and your numbers will be instantly formatted as currency. No need to go through menus or right-click options. It's as straightforward as it gets. But what about when you want to change the font or adjust the size of your text? That's where the Ctrl J shortcut comes in handy. It opens the Format Cells dialog with the Font tab selected. From here, you can modify your text to your heart's content, adjust the size, change the font, or even add some color. It's all right at your fingertips with Ctrl J. Remember, formatting and styling are about more than just making your data look good. They're about making it accessible and easy to understand. A well-formatted spreadsheet can make a world of difference when it comes to analyzing your data. It can draw attention to key points, make patterns more visible, and ultimately help you or your audience make sense of the information. So don't shy away from these shortcuts. Embrace them, use them to bring your data to life. With a little practice, you'll be formatting and styling like a pro in no time. These shortcuts will not only make your data look good, but also make it easier to understand. Ready to take your Excel game to the next level? These advanced shortcuts will help you do just that. Let's dive right in, starting with Ctrl Shift F3. This powerful shortcut allows you to create names from a selection. Instead of manually naming each cell, you can use this shortcut to automatically assign names based on the contents of the cells. It's a real time saver, especially when dealing with large datasets. Next, we have Ctrl Alt Shift F9. This might seem like a mouthful, but it's a real powerhouse. This command calculates all worksheets in all open workbooks, regardless of whether they have changed since the last calculation. If you're working with complex formulas across multiple workbooks, this shortcut ensures everything is up to date and accurate. Another advanced shortcut is Ctrl W. It's simple yet effective. This command closes the current workbook. If you're done for the day or need to quickly close a workbook, this shortcut is your best friend. No more clicking through menus, just a swift Ctrl W and you're done. Now, let's talk about Ctrl Alt Shift Quotation Mark. This shortcut shows or hides the outline symbols. Outline symbols are used in Excel to group data and create a hierarchical structure. This shortcut allows you to quickly toggle these symbols on and off, giving you better control over how you view your data. Lastly, we have Ctrl Alt E S V. This is a sequence shortcut that allows you to paste special values directly. If you want to paste values without carrying over any formatting, this shortcut is a lifesaver. It's particularly useful when you're dealing with data from various sources with different formatting. These advanced shortcuts are just a glimpse of what you can achieve with Excel. They will not only speed up your workflow, but also enhance your ability to manage and manipulate data. With these shortcuts in your arsenal, you'll be able to tackle any Excel task with ease and efficiency. These advanced shortcuts will make you the go-to Excel expert in your office, so keep practicing and happy excelling. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's quickly recap the shortcuts we've learned. We've navigated Excel with ease using Ctrl Alt Arrow Keys and Ctrl+. We've manipulated data like a pro with Ctrl Shift++ key and Ctrl Shift L. we've formatted and styled our data using Ctrl+5 and Ctrl+Shift+$. In our advanced section, we've learned how to use Ctrl+Alt+Shift+F9 to calculate all worksheets in all open workbooks, and how to use Ctrl+W to close the current workbook. And remember, these are just a few of the many shortcuts we've discussed today. With these Excel shortcuts, you're well on your way to becoming more productive. Don't forget to practice them regularly. Until next time, keep excelling.